9th standard. And exercise 5.3 only we are going to do two sums only using midpoint formula. Okay. Now the first one, the center of a circle is -4, 2. If one end of the diameter of the circle is -3, 7, then find the other end. The circle is given. Center also is also given. Center is -4, 2. One end of the diameter. A straight line passing through the center. This straight line is called diameter. One end of the diameter is -3, 7, and the other end is x, y. We have to find this other end. Like what is given? Center is given. Center of the circle. Center of the circle is -4, 2. One end of the circle is -3, 7. Consider this is A. This one is B. Let the other end be. Let the other end be of x, y. Other end be x, y. Okay. This point, the center point lies in midpoint of AB, because OA is the radius of the circle. This is also radius of the circle. So OA is the center of the circle and also midpoint of AB. So using midpoint formula, what is given here? Center of the circle equal to midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB equal to center of the circle. That means using midpoint formula, consider this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the formula for midpoint. If this is x1, y1, here x2, y2. x1 is -3. x2 is x plus x by 2. y1 is 7. y2 is y by 2. This equal to center of the circle is -4, 2. -4, 2. Now comparing x coordinate and y coordinate, the coordinate of x is -3 plus x by 2 equal to -4, and y coordinate y plus 7 plus y by 2 equal to 2. Cross multiply those two. -3 plus x equal to -8. Then x equal to -8 plus 3. So the value of x equal to -5. Like this, find cross multiply again here. 7 plus y equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Then y equal to 4 minus 7. This equal to, subtracting this two, you will get -3. So the value of x is -5, y is -3. Then what they have asked, find the other end. Therefore the other end is b of x, y. X is -5, y is -3. -5, -3. This is the answer for the first one. The first sum. Then second one, if the midpoint x, y. Okay, do you understand this one? Okay, let's go to this sum. Second sum. If the midpoint x, y of the line joining this and this, 2 points are given and midpoint is also given. midpoint of line joining the midpoint x comma y. So the line joining the points, which points 3 comma 4 and p comma 7. What are the points here? 3 comma 4. This is A. Consider this is B. That is p comma 7. Line joining this two, the midpoint is here m of x comma y. M of x comma y. I have given this names all the A, B, M or I have given it. If the midpoint x comma y of the line joining 3 comma 4 and p comma 7 lies on, that means the midpoint lies on 2x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So the point midpoint passing through 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the straight line equation. 2x, the midpoint lies on 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Then what will be the value of p? What will be the value of p? First we have to find out the midpoint of AB. Let A of 3 comma B, 3 comma 4, B, P comma 7. Then midpoint. The midpoint be m of x comma y. Take the midpoint. Those are all given, but I have given names only A, B and M. Then find midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. This equal to midpoint is m of x comma y. X comma y. Midpoint of AB is considered this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2. Using this midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, 3 plus p by 2, comma 4 plus 7 by 2. This equal to x comma y. 3 plus p, we can't add this because its variable is constant. So just write 3 plus p by 2, comma, we can add this to 11 by 2. This equal to x comma y. Now equating the coordinates, x equal to 3 plus p by 2. Then y is equal to 11 by 2. That midpoint lies on this equation. So substituting these two values in equation 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Substituting m of x comma y lies on the equation, lies on the straight line 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Instead of x, and we can substitute 3 plus p by 2. 2 into 3 plus p by 2 plus 2 into y. Y term is y value is 11 by 2. 2 into 11 by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Here also we can cancel this 2. The remaining term 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 equal to 0. Just write here 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Just write p plus adding these three numbers. 3 plus 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 12 plus 3 15 equal to 0. Therefore p is equal to minus 15 is the value. Okay.